ginger and bay leaves with my pork pata. And then I'm going to put cabbage. Yan. Parang humba pata. Pork or pork humba, pero hindi ito pork humba kasi lagyan ko pa ito ng cabbage and water, then hanggang soft. Ayan, cabbage guys, then lagyan muna natin ng tubig. Ito lagyan ng tubig para ilagay ko ang cabbage dyan. Ayan. So here my cabbage. I add it here to boil it until soften the pork. Ano yan? Pork pata. Ayan. So, let's cover it. Boil then, and then slow heat. So, ayan guys. So, let's wait until it's softened everything. And for now, this is my recipe is pork pata with cabbage and a lot of ginger. Thank you for watching.